In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create two-way pitched roofs. Our structure has perimetrical walls spanning over two levels. There is a foundation slab and a floor slab on each level. We are going to place a two-way pitched roof over the second level slab. To place the roof, we open the Level 2 floor plan view. In the Architecture tab, we expand the Roof menu and we select the Roof by Footprint option. In the Context tab, we make sure that the Boundary Line option is selected and we select the Pick Lines tool. In the Options bar, we select the Define Slope option and we set the offset to 600 millimeters. In the Type selector, we select the Roof Generic 125 millimeters. We then place the cursor over the perimeter of the existing slab. We can see that a dashed line appears, which represents the edge of the roof that will be created. This dashed line is at an offset to the edge of the slab. We are careful so that the edge of the roof is on the exterior side. The peak line now represents the perimeter of the roof. The triangle that is displayed over each perimeter line means that the roof over the line will be pitched. We can adjust the slope of the roof by modifying the number that appears next to the triangle. So we have now modified the inclination to 20 degrees. To create the roof, we click the Finish Edit button. We observe that the roof has been created. We switch to the three-dimensional view to inspect the completed roof using the Orbit tool. In this lesson, we learned how to create a two-way pitched roof. This concludes the lesson.